Snakerer Farms American Wagyu beef ribs. There are 3 ribs. So what we're gonna do is lightly trim this. There's no need to go crazy with this. So you're gonna look for just a little bit of silver skin. There's a little strip right here. I'm gonna take that out, and then we're gonna put some red tuxedo on it. You just see the silver skin, you just get really carefully underneath of it, and then you pull it back just like this to kind of get that piece off. Red tuxedo.
We are gonna put a really generous coating of our red tuxedo on here, put it in the fridge overnight. The salt's gonna pull out a little bit of a moisture, and it's gonna start to build this beautiful crust. We're gonna pull it out of the fridge, throw it on the grill. We're gonna put it on at 250 degrees for about 8 to 10 hours until it's probe tender. If you take your scallions, slice them into these nice little thin threads, throw them in some ice water, they're gonna curl up and make a beautiful garnish. Now that we've hit about 190 degrees, which is almost done, we're gonna start basting with our bulgogi barbecue sauce. We wait until the end because this sauce has a lot of natural sugars in it, and we don't want those to burn. So now we're gonna go ahead and baste this every 15 minutes until it's done, and we're gonna get a gorgeous, sweet, smoky crust. Now for the Gochujang Mayo. We're using Kewpie mayo, gochujang sauce, cilantro, and lime juice. Check for seasoning. We're gonna add a little bit more acid, which is gonna help wake up all the flavors and the smoked meat, and then you're off to the races. This is what we call probe tender. The probe is falling all the way through the meat just with the weight of the probe. This is done. Let's get it off the grill. Look at that gorgeous smoke ring. To serve, we're gonna brush it with a little bit of the reserved barbecue sauce, drizzle some of our gochujang mayo, and then we're gonna pile it high with our curly scallions. Snooze you lose.
Or give it back. He does this every time. Get a napkin at least, man.